The best knife block sets offer a balance of quality, versatility, and durability. Look for sets that include essential knives like chef, utility, and paring knives, made from high-carbon stainless steel for lasting sharpness. There are many products available. Knife block set. I have compiled a list of reputed brands and done a lot of research. People will see your choice and find the products very helpful to help you make an informed decision on various features. The right products with different features and prices will determine. From top 5 best knife block set. If you want to know about the price and other information, sure, check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. The Cook 21-piece kitchen knife set with block. The Cook 21-piece kitchen knife set is a comprehensive choice for any home cook, combining versatility and durability in an attractive package. German stainless steel construction ensures the knife's longevity and resistance to rust and stains, making them ideal for daily use. This set covers all the essentials, including chefs, paring, and utility knives, as well as a set of steak knives and kitchen shears, ensuring you have the right tool for every culinary task. The sleek black knife block includes a built-in sharpener, so you can easily maintain each knife's edge without needing additional tools. Dishwasher-safe construction further simplifies care, making this set perfect for busy kitchens. With ergonomic handles for comfort, the Cook set not only meets practical needs, but also adds a modern, stylish touch to the countertop. Ideal for both beginners and seasoned chefs, it's a solid investment for anyone seeking a high-quality, all-in-one knife collection. Number 2. Home Hero 20-piece kitchen knife set with sharpener. Designed for both functionality and style, the Home Hero 20-piece kitchen knife set offers a versatile range of high-carbon stainless steel knives that cater to various cooking needs. This set includes essential knives, steak knives, and even a sharpener, ensuring every piece stays sharp for precise cutting. Each knife features ergonomic handles, making them comfortable to use during meal prep, even for extended periods. The black knife block offers a sleek, modern look that complements any kitchen decor while keeping the knives organized and easily accessible. High-carbon stainless steel construction gives the blades durability and resistance to rust, extending their lifespan for busy kitchens. With dishwasher-safe convenience, maintenance is simple and hassle-free, making this set an excellent choice for those wanting both quality and low upkeep. Perfect for home cooks and budding chefs, the Home Hero set combines performance and style in a single, comprehensive package. Number 3. 6-piece khaki professional kitchen knife set. The 6-piece khaki professional kitchen knife set offers a compact, stylish solution for home chefs seeking sharp, reliable tools. These knives, crafted from anti-rust stainless steel, maintain their sharpness and endure frequent use, making them perfect for a variety of kitchen tasks. The set includes key knives, perfect for slicing, dicing, and chopping with ease. The sleek, neutral khaki knife block adds a modern touch to kitchen countertops, providing convenient storage and quick access to each knife. The ergonomic design of each handle ensures comfort and control during food preparation. Lightweight and versatile, this knife set is also simple to maintain, making it ideal for those who want a streamlined, functional set for daily cooking. Stylish and effective, the khaki professional set is well suited for kitchens looking for simplicity without sacrificing performance. Number 4. McCook German stainless steel knife set with built-in sharpener. The McCook German stainless steel knife set is a well-rounded choice for those who value both quality and convenience in the kitchen. Crafted from durable German stainless steel, each knife in this set is built to resist rust, stains, and wear, making it ideal for everyday use. The set includes a variety of knives to cover all essential cooking tasks, along with a sleek knife block that features a built-in sharpener to keep blades razor-sharp without the need for extra tools. The built-in sharpener is particularly convenient, allowing for quick and simple edge maintenance to ensure precision cutting. The knife block's modern design complements various kitchen styles, adding a touch of sophistication to your countertop. We designed this set with a focus on functionality and durability, making it a reliable choice for both beginner and seasoned cooks looking to invest in a high-quality, all-in-one knife collection. Number 5. Select by Calphalon TM Self-Sharpening Knife Set with Block. The Select by Calphalon TM Self-Sharpening Knife Set is a premium choice for home chefs who value sharpness and ease of maintenance. This set includes essential knives for everyday kitchen tasks, with each blade crafted from durable stainless steel to ensure lasting performance and sharpness. The knife blocks integrated self-sharpening technology, which automatically sharpens the knives with each use and maintains a razor-sharp edge without additional effort, is the standout feature. The knife block itself has a modern, compact design that adds elegance to any countertop while saving space. With Calphalon's commitment to quality, this set is not only stylish, but also highly functional, making it perfect for busy kitchens. It's a convenient, time-saving option for those seeking a dependable knife set that stays sharp with minimal upkeep, ideal for both novice and seasoned home cooks.
That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe my channel. What should be the price after verifying the right product quality, and what is the customer's demand? If you want to know product details or prices or need any other kind of information, please comment below. Any issue, stay updated with our cool products, as it will make your life much easier.